Are you looking for the best way to scare your friends for the coming Halloween? In this video, you'll find a perfect solution of how to do it. Prank them with the spookiest DIY makeup ever! How do you like my jack-o'-lantern? It can paint your nails if you wish. Take a nail polish bottle with a black top and some orange air-drying clay. Press the bottle in the clay. Cover the bottle up to the top. We've got a ball-shaped pumpkin base. Press a toothpick against the clay to transform the ball into a pumpkin. Take pastel of terracotta, yellow, moss, and bright green colors. Shade the pumpkin with the pastel using a dry brush. Draw a monstrous jack-o'-lantern face with a black marker. We've got a Halloween pumpkin with nail polish inside. What a cutie! My friend can't understand what I'm holding. I'm going to reveal the secret. Use this weird nail polish to keep the Halloween feeling all fall long. Do you need a bone? Don't worry! No animal was harmed in the making of this video. I've taken this bone out of my makeup bag. We'll need mascara and lots of hot glue. Squeeze much glue to cover the bottom part of the container. Spread it out with the hot nozzle. Add more glue to the bottom. Shape the end of a bone. Regulate the glue flow by lifting and twisting the tube. Put your finger in cold water to protect it from getting burnt. Touch the glue to shape a bone. Apply more glue coats. Repeat for the top part of the mascara. To make it look real, make the tubercles in a different shape. Don't make them the same size. Make a round cut to open and close the tube. Cover the bone with white nail polish. Apply a thick coat. Make it look natural. Imitate an old bone using beige nail polish. Dip a toothpick in the polish. Paint lines across the entire length. Imitate a sponge surface on the tubercles. Apply more beige shades. Add eerie blood stains with red blood nail polish. Paint in red the borderline between the bottom and the top. Wow! The bone looks like a real one! Ugh! Ghastly! What the heck is this bone doing here? I wonder. We don't have a dog. I never thought she could use it as makeup. Have you ever seen a finger instead of a lipstick? No? Then watch how to make it now. We'll need the following tools: an awl, a toothpick, and a pin. Twist out a beige lipstick. Use the awl to mark the nail outline. Shape the pulp and the long nail. Peel off the excess. Correct the shape with the toothpick. Use the pin to define the details. Smooth the surface with your finger. Use a toothpick to transform the lipstick into a finger shape. Scratch lines on the phalanx. Make them of different width for a more natural look. Find 10 differences. Paint the nail red. Shave red lipstick. Melt it in a microwave. Paint the nail. My friend wants to show me what lipstick she found on the internet. Psha! It's trash! I'll show her mine. She twists out the lipstick. Wow! I've never seen such a spooky thing. It looks exactly like a human's finger. No, I don't just touch my lips with the finger. It's my way to paint them. Scare your